Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple spice cake with cream cheese frosting. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then grease an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan and set it aside for now. Then into a sifter, set over a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, and sift the ingredients into the bowl. Whisk them together to combine them, and set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the canola or vegetable oil, sugar, brown sugar, egg yolk, applesauce, sour cream, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then for the apples, you can use any kind you like, just make sure they're firm for baking. So wash the apples and then grate them using a box grater, stopping just before you get to the core. And you can peel them too if you like, but you don't really have to. Then you need to get rid of most of the excess liquid, so dry them off using paper towels. And you can even just pick them up and squeeze them to get rid of the excess liquid. Try and get rid of as much of the liquid as you can. Then add the grated apples into the wet ingredients, and add in the dry ingredients, and mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. To make the cream cheese frosting, in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and softened butter, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then sift in the powdered sugar and add in the vanilla extract. Mix them with a spoon at first to combine them. Then beat it with the electric mixer on high speed for another 2 minutes until it's light. Then finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Once the cake is completely cooled, spread the frosting all over the top. And you can serve it whenever you like. And that's how to make an apple spice cake with cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.